welcome back to my channel, and yes, I am bringing you guys my CVS haul. My CVS haul went pretty good. I liked everything that I got. I finally am getting stuff that I haven't gotten before or I haven't gotten for a while, so I'm pretty excited about that. One thing I really wish is I got more P&G coupons. Like, I just didn't get them. The place I get them sometimes on Sundays, they were sold out. This is a great month for P&G, or this is a great week for P&G. And I did order coupons, but I'm waiting for another week to get them because it's like I don't want to pay full price for just P&G coupons. So, wanted to share with you guys on that. But I am pretty excited to show you guys what I got at CVS. I went crazy. So let's dig in it. As you guys know, I have two CVS cards because I want to show you guys different deals. Everybody has different CRTs, so I definitely wanted to show you guys this. But I ended up getting the Purex laundry detergent. These were $2.99. There's a 50-cent off coupon that you guys can print off the Purex website. You guys would just pay $2.49 for this, but then you guys will get a $1.50 ECB, making it 99 cents. I also will, my receipt will also submit to Savings Star, so I don't have to do that because I have a spend 25, you get $5 back. So that will go towards that. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Now, I also got these, I hope these, oh, they melted. Ugh. It's like super hot outside, so these are going to just stay in a cool air. I ended up getting these Reese's Sticks. Now, I also got the Reese's Cups. Let's see where they're at. Yeah, I had it in two different cards. Yeah, these melted too. So these were $3.79. Now, I had a coupon for $1 off in each card or CRT that I had, plus there is that $2 off instant coupon that is printing off, so you guys will get these just for 79 cents. So I thought that's a good deal for one of these bags for 79 cents. They are melted right now, so that is no fun. I ended up doing the razor deal. Now I got a Gillette Mach 3, and then I got two of the Venus razors. So these were each $8.99. I used two of the Venus $3 off coupons, plus I had that $3 off coupon that they had sitting there. They're like little peely. I also had a $3 off Gillette CRT. So you guys would pay $14.97 for these, but then you guys will get a $10 ECB back, making it just $4.97 or $1.65 a piece, which I think is still a really good deal. If you guys think about it, $8.99 to $1.65, that is a pretty good deal. Like, you should never pay full price for any of these. So, wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Now, I ended up getting these Kleenex coupons. I want to thank you guys for whoever sends me coupons. Max, you are awesome. You are sending me coupons all the time. I like check my P.O. box and you sent me coupons, which is awesome. Helps me from not clipping them. So thank you, Max, for sending me more coupons because I only had one. So these came in handy. So these were three for $4, okay? I used three $1 off coupons that we got from a while back ago. You guys would just get all three of these for $1. So definitely do that deal if you guys want to do that. Now they also have a deal where if you spend $15, you get $5 back. So that could go towards that if you guys want to do something with that. Yes, I just got stuff like all over the place. I'm going to show you guys the P&G deal. But then I ended up getting some licorice because why not get some licorice? So these were $1.49. There is a digital coupon that you guys can add to your account for the app. You guys would just, for 49 cents, and you guys would get this for $1, which I think is a pretty good deal for $1. So Yeah. Now I ended up, let me get all this stuff down because I'm just gonna go crazy. I ended up doing the eyebrow. Okay, so here we go. So I ended up getting the Physicians Formula. Now today I received a 10 off of 25 CRT. So these were $12.79. Okay, I bought both of these. I used a 3 off of 12 cosmetics coupon plus CRT. Plus I used that 10 off of 25 CRT. Both of these came out to be just $12.58. I ended up getting a $10 back ECB, making it just $2.58, which I think is a pretty good deal. I actually like this blush. Like, I'm not a huge fan of Physicians Formula, but I do like this blush. I had a friend who sent me one of these one time, and I actually really like it. So this I like. I ended up doing the Rimmel Brow Shake and the eyeliners. So one of these was this was $4.69 and this was $5.99. You guys want to use 2 of those $2 off coupons that we got from the inserts a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $6.68 for this. But then you guys will get a $5 back ECB, making it just $1.68 or 84 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. I have yet to use those products, but wanted to share with you guys on that. And then with my other card, I ended up getting another Physicians Formula. Oh, where is it? Okay. I ended up getting the Magic Mosaic. This was $15.29. I had to spend 3 off of 12 CRT, so I ended up using that. I paid $12.29 for this, but then you guys will get that $10 ECB back, making it just $2.29. So I used one Physicians Formula with one card and this with another card. So I wanted to share with you guys on that deal. Okay, you guys ready for the P&G? Yeah. Okay. So for the P&G deal, I did it in 2 separate transactions, or I did it with 2 different cards because I wanted to see what was a better deal. So with one card, I ended up getting 3 of the Pantene shampoos and conditioners. These were 3 for $12. I used that 5 off of 3 coupon that we got in today's inserts. Plus I had that $5 or $1.50 app coupon. So we got those. And then I ended up getting the Tampax tampons. These are something I actually like getting. These were 2 for $8. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's P&G. And I also used a 2 off of 8 CRT that I had. And then I also got the Tide. Now, I don't get Tide personally, but there was a $3 off digital coupon that you guys can send to your card. Plus, you guys can go to Brand Saver. If you guys really want stuff, you guys can always go to Brand Saver and you guys can print 1 coupon. So I was able to print 1 $3 off coupon, and then I used the $3 off digital. So you guys would pay $5.94. You guys use that $3 off coupon or 2 times 2. So all 7 of these items came to $31.88 for everything. After coupons and after CRTs, it came to $14.38. I ended up getting a $10 back ECB, so everything came to $4.38 or just 62 cents a piece, which I am okay with paying 62 cents a piece for this stuff. So I wanted to share with you guys on that. Now, if you guys don't like Tampax, you can always do the always deal. So you can do one or the other. It's up to you guys on that. I just prefer tampons more than pads, so we got that. And then for my other card, I ended up doing this deal. And I will be doing a giveaway sometime in the near future for these bags, just giving you guys a heads up. So for that transaction, I ended up, or for that deal, I ended up getting more of the Tampax Pearl. Now again, these are 2 for $8. You guys want to use that 3 off of 2 coupon. I also ended up getting the Always pads. These are 2 for $8. I used that 3 off of 2 coupon for those. I ended up getting the Pantene Pro V again. These were 3 for $12. I used that 5 off of 3 coupon. Plus I had that $1.50 off app coupon. And then I was just shy of hitting my money. So I ended up having to get 2 of the Dawn dish soaps. Now these were 99 cents. I used those 25% off coupons for these. So we got that. So before coupons, all those products came to $29.98. After coupons, it came to $14.98. I got that $10 back ECB. So everything came out to be $4.98 for everything. If you add all 9 items up, I ended up getting each one for just 55 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. And one last item I wanted to share with you guys was the Gillette or Venus, depends on if you guys have the CRT. These were $6.99. These are the disposable razors. I had that $3 off coupon that we got in today's inserts from the P&G. Plus I had a $4 off disposable CRT. So I actually got this absolutely free. So I could not pass up free razors. But I didn't add everything up because I don't have hardly any ECBs. I've been spending like my ECBs like crazy, so I had a CVS gift card that I used, and I ended up just paying pretty much everything with CVS so I could start building up my my ECBs. Now I did use ECBs that I had, but then I still had to pay money out of pocket, so it kind of came out even, but I did have to pay money, so I'm like, I'm not going to share with you guys on that. I just wanted to share with you guys certain deals with that. But yeah, I was pretty excited to see what I got. I'm super excited to finally get shampoo and conditioner. Like, you guys have no idea. And then I've been just getting laundry detergent wasted, so why not get Liquid Tide? But I ordered some of those coupons. I'm just waiting for those to come in. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys everything that I got. I hope you guys had an awesome time shopping at CVS. One thing I do want to bring up with you guys is those Coupon Addict t-shirts. They are available. I was wearing them last week to show you guys. They're available. They're $13.99 for the regular t-shirts. If you guys are interested, find that video and order your shirts. You guys have 10 days left to go. 10 days. It's awesome. And then I'm going to do a little video of everybody wearing their shirts. So be prepared for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you guys can see more CVS videos. And I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.